Alright, here we go. The heads are back in, the cores are back in the boxes. So all I gotta do is just provide them with the tag, the return tag that they wanted. It's from me to him. Done. Next, the heads are gonna go right on the engine. Alright guys, old school. Doing the copper gasket. They just go on the heads. Just got that today, 10 bucks. And I got myself the new head bolts for Felpro. That's it. So here we go. That is head, and here we go. It's gonna go right on the engine. Can't wait. And if you see the heads, I already sprayed them. That's that color, copper color from that can, Permatex. That, again, I just don't want these to leak at all. So here we go. Put them in. Not gonna waste any time. I've been waiting a long time. Come on, get in. There you go. Haha. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna secure them. I'm just gonna put 2 bolts, brand new bolts. Just to make sure that they're not gonna fall. It would suck if I just dropped these. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go grab the other one real quick and put it on the other side. Here we go. Ah, beauty. It's starting to look like an engine now. Okay. So excited, so excited. And then when the intake, have the intake over here. And the intake goes right up on top. Let's stand back a little bit. Starting to look like an engine now. Starting to look like an engine. Cool. All right, beautiful. All right, guys. So just gonna do the torques on the head. I'm just gonna torque them up. I'm gonna torque the intake, and then I'm just gonna do the rocker arms. But that's gonna be after. I'll do a video on the rocker arms real quick. How quick install they get. And then after that, it's gonna look almost like a full engine. Almost. Oh, and by the way, got myself a new GM Performance pan. It should fit under the S10. So we'll see. Again, thank you guys. Appreciate it. Carlos over here. Bye.